Good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about my lithium ion battery for my Ryobi Lawn Mower. And the problem is the battery's not charging anymore. So when I plug it in, it says that it's damaged. So what I did was called Ryobi, and I'm going to give you the number. I'm going to post it right here on the screen that I called. And what they will ask for is the model number, which is right here. Hope you can see that okay. And then the serial number is down here, and it's very small. So that's where they're at, and I've already called on this one, so they're already sending me a replacement. But that was about the easiest thing I ever did. Now I haven't got the battery yet. I just did it today. She said they're on back order and it'll get here sometime in July, late July. But fortunately I have another battery for my lawnmower, and it's not really gonna slow me down or affect me any. So if you need to replace your battery for your Ryobi tools or your lawnmower or whatever, you just call the number. It's and I'm gonna post it up here, and I'll post it in the description below. And it is 1-800-525-2579. And they will be glad to help you, or they helped me. They were very nice. I had no problems. And I guess as long as you have a bigger tool like a lawnmower or a weed eater or a blower, I guess they don't even ask for the receipt or the date of purchase or anything. They just say, give me the model number and serial number off the lawnmower and the battery, and we'll send you a new one out. So anyway, I hope that was helpful to you. If you see anything here you have any questions about, be sure and ask down below, and I'll be happy to try to answer any questions I can. And I am working on my solar system. I got my solar charge control, and I got this little meter. It's a watt meter and power analyzer. So now I got to get I want a 100 amp hour battery. I want two of them, but I'm gonna just buy one to start with, and a 100 amp hour solar panel, a 100 amp solar panel, and or maybe it's 100 watt. I'm getting confused now. Anyway, I'll have it all on that video when I start on that. But that's a project that I'm working on, but I'm having to order pieces and parts at a time. And as soon as I get everything together, I'll make a video about it and show you what it's doing and how I'm going to power my house with two batteries and a solar system minus the AC. So anyway, this is Harold. Thanks for watching my video. I'll have another one for you soon. I'm out of here.